long hair to stay warm this time of year.
It's 41 degrees. Coldest it's been in Florida in the last 30 plus years.
Cornelius, what are you doing?
Got him.
Oh my.
Hector, don't put your hand in this tank. I gotta check on the fish inside the building. You can officially see the size of the deck. Whoa! Look like they didn't make it through the night. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. It is currently, Siri, what is the temperature outside? It's 41 degrees. 41 degrees. It is the coldest it's been in Florida in the last 30 plus years. Hector,
Yes, sir.
what do you think of this cold weather?
Oh my gosh, too cold, man.
Too cold.
Yeah, for
we don't
Florida.
move to Florida for this reason.
No.
We got the front pond getting taken apart. Literally completely taken apart. All the wood from the side is all right here next to the pond. So a couple little projects going on in this weather. Inside the fish building, we are also having another project go down today. It's too cold for me, man. I moved to Florida for a reason. I didn't want to have to deal with the cold. It's actually supposed to get down to the low 30s tonight. It's the coldest it's been in 30 plus years. I haven't even been alive for that long. I'm 22 years old. I haven't even experienced this weather here in Florida yet. I think this exact temp, maybe not as low as it'll get tonight, like a decade ago. I've got a couple projects to do. One being a very quick pull out of the snapping turtle and putting him into a bin inside the fish building because he's not supposed to be out here. I am definitely one day behind on that move. I should have done that yesterday, but he's good. Those turtles are like bulletproof, so we're gonna do that. All the pigs definitely need a lot of hay, right guys? You guys probably love this weather though, I'm not gonna lie. Coon, what do you think of this weather, huh? You guys like this? I know the ducks love it. The ducks absolutely love this weather. I gotta check on the fish inside the building. All of the windows have a bunch of water on them. Like, look at this. Run up the stairs. It's literally soaking wet. The metal is all water because inside the building, whoa, it's a lot hotter than it is outside. It's nice and toasty in here. Last night I kicked on the heater because I was expecting this weather, of course. Oh yeah, look at these fish. Chilling right in the aerator. He loves to sit in the current. He used to do the same thing in the front pond. I have it set for 74 degrees. And I just dropped the thermometer in. And the pond is at 71.8. That heater being kicked on will actually make that pond hotter now. In a couple hours, the pond will be like 73-ish degrees again. It's time to wake up, everyone. Hey, what's going on, cichlids? And literally all you were hiding. They'll be out in a little bit. When I first turn the lights on, they always do that. Arowana, Garami. Lights on. I'll leave one off. I like to leave one side dark and one side light. Night fish, chilling. Lights on for the mantis. Good morning, buddy. Fly over. I got a red light on the tank right now. He's just vibing. That is one of the coolest turtles ever. He's got a couple wafers on the ground. You gotta eat breakfast. George the quarantine stud flower horn. And I spelled quarantine wrong too, which makes it even better. I'm gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. I think it's funny. I spelled it wrong, leave it wrong. You axolotls are absolutely loving this weather, aren't you? Yeah, they are. Golden albinos, like heck yeah. Bluegill leucistics in the back. Not much action going on in the saltwater tank. Arrow crab right there. Eel is up in the rocks. He's got a giant hole now. Yeah, not much action in there. Over here, where the deck is being built today, Mata hiding up in there. We just got him a bunch of fish recently. You can see him swimming around like that. He's already eaten a lot of them. And Cornelius, our bullfrog, decides he just wants to stay at the top of the enclosure instead of in where he's supposed to be. Cornelius, what are you doing? Cornelius, how many times do I gotta tell you, stop doing stuff like that? Huh? Here you go, Cornelius. Now I got frog hand. Cornelius has went roaming a couple times in the fish building already. Cornelius, dude, what are you doing getting out? Cornelius, no one gave you permission to jump out of the enclosure. Oh, God. Darn it, Cornelius. Cornelius, stay in here. Cornelius, dude, you can't be hanging out with the Red Bulls and Coronas. How many times do I have to tell you, dude? You're in the trash, bro. You're grounded. But we did feed Cornelius a mouse, and he ate it. He ate it immediately. Just know, Cornelius is eating. Our bullfrog is eating. And of course, the turtle pond right here. And snapping turtle. What's up, common snapping turtle? Absolute stud. Look at that friggin' beast right here. Right in front of the... Oh yeah, we're getting the best view yet. What do you, that's a hybrid catfish. Yeah. Yeah, what do you think? All the fish are in. Yeah, man. You move it, you put over here? Yeah. Look at that.
That's the big one.
Awesome, right?
Yep.
So here's all the wood. We got all the wood for this deck over here. I'm thinking we just build it along the line here. Come out a little there.
Do you want it this way or that way?
The deck?
Yeah.
This way.
That way?
Yeah. It's nice and warm in here compared to out there.
Oh, outside is too cold. What is 40 something?
41. And then people right now are watching, and it's the coldest it's been in a lot of places. I know some of you are watching in like -22 right now, laughing at us, complaining about 41-degree weather. My cousin's in like -6 right now. I'm sorry, I don't care where I live, I ain't doing it. I used to live in New York, I've dealt with that. No thanks. Piglets! What do you think? They're all snuggled in. No, I didn't mean to wake. Oh goodness gracious! I didn't mean to wake you up. You were all snuggled together. You should have. It's like a little train. Look at them all. There's Mama. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Lulu. Here you go, guys. It is cold. A little chicken. So while we are on the topic of animals and it's cold, we need to go get hay for these animals. During the winter, they like to snuggle on top of each other, all together in a bundle, which will keep them warm. You got hay on your face because you were sleeping so deep. Look at the little pig sitting mark. See that? That's where they're all laying. So at some point today, we are gonna have to get hay. Before the sun goes down, as you can see, the sun is nice and bright right now, and it starts to get the coldest it's been in 30+ years. We got a giant bin. I bought a bunch of these for the fish transfer, and it just comes in handy for this circumstance. It's cold, I gotta get the snapping turtle into something. Here we are. This looks a lot different already. We got the bin in here. It's only for the next like 2 days. I got these little filters on the end of my hose now. Super smart invention. Filters out the water, takes all the chlorine, which we don't have, we have well water. Takes that yellow tint out, everything garbage in the water. That takes a lot of it out. There we are. We're filling up now. So just a little bit of water in there, and our snapping turtle will be good to go. Hey, when the heck do I ever have a PC hoodie on? We do have hoodies as well, PunkFairBrand.com. If you live in a colder state, there you go. You can just see how clear the water is coming out of this. I mean, it's still got the yellow tint. It's a lot clearer than it was. I'm getting an RO system for the entire house soon. I ain't doing this yellow water stuff no more. We are good to go. There's literally a lizard drowning right here, dude. So luckily, I was just coming to check on the snapping turtle. There you go, buddy. You cold? You too cold? No, he's good. All right, see ya. Come on, snapping turtle. Don't make me reach my hand around down there. This is actually a perfect opportunity while he's out to fix the filter. I was supposed to plug this thing in a week ago, but the outlet didn't work right there. So now we got the outlet working as of yesterday, so I could officially get it plugged in and actually set the new one up to get this water all clear. Snapping turtles do not care, but still, I mentioned I wanted to plug that in a week ago. I see him. Is that dark shadow? I don't know why I didn't think of this in the first place. I'm playing it safe. Got him.
Whew. Oh my gosh, stop that. What up, big boy? Good to know that you're still feeling good enough to try to bite me. You're an absolute stud. That is so crazy looking.
All right, buddy. There we go. Same old plan for this corner. We are doing another deck just like that over there. Now I want your opinion. Do you think we should stain the wood or burn the wood? What should we do with the wood? Over here, I kind of wanted to keep it natural. I love the natural look over here, although if we burnt this wood, it would probably look awesome for like the Amazon theme. But over here too, what do you think we should do with the wood? Leave it natural, burn it? What do we, comment down below. I gotta go through the comments and see what you guys are thinking.
There's the dark gar. Look at that thing. It's crazy.
The fish are eating though. As of yesterday, which was the day after the transfer, they were already eating and looking so much happier than ever. That is so crazy to watch the knife fish just slowly come. Oh, the carp just ate one too. Everything is eating. We got the jag eating, the Oscar's eating, knife fish, right like that. Arowana hasn't ate one yet. That little peacock's fired up, and to see the coloration difference in all these fish, like the little peacock's bars all come out. Oh, Pinocchio is trying to get a little snack, I guess. But look at the big peacock. You can see his color's so much better, and then you got all the All the Oscars oranges are popping. Tiger shovel nose colors, you can see every individual stripe. When they're in this blue surrounding, their colors just pop so much more. I love watching the knifefish come up and eat. Oh, you got a bunch right there. Oh, which one are you gonna pick? Which one? Yep. Oh, you got like 5 that time. Logan, what are you doing in there?
Just exploring a little bit.
It is kind of cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I feel like a little kid in here.
Hector, don't put your hand in this tank.
No.
Don't put your hand in this tank.
I see a lot of videos.
Yeah, he will.
Yeah.
He'll get you.
Alrighty, now while I go and get hay and stuff for the animals, with this cold weather outside, the boys gonna be building a deck inside. Yep. You can officially see the size of the deck now. That is exactly how big it's gonna be. It's gonna look amazing. Ignore the black lines. It's from the LED. I don't know why they do that. Trying to set up the time lapse here, but Hector decided to. Whoa!
Talk about pristine woodwork right here. Look at that.
Wow. Changes the entire look of this area. Let's go around this side. Holy moly, that's so crazy. That is awesome. Wood just changes the whole look of the fish building. It literally gives it so much character. It brightens the area so much more. The turtle corner is a real thing now. Amazon corner, turtle corner. And then we're building an epic saltwater pond. I think saltwater. I don't know. Salt or fresh. Saltwater or freshwater pond. I'm not sure yet. Right over there. I'm gonna pop up a poll right here on the top of the screen. I guess we'll see. And the turtle deck is done. Just like that. I actually put our snapping turtle up on it as well. Looks amazing. I've got some future plans for this wall here, around this, and a couple other things, but the boys killed it. Thank you guys.
No problem.
My API wall needs to be rebuilt. She got destroyed, but we're gonna put that back right there. We got 3 things of coastal and then 1 TNA in the back. This coastal hay is perfect for bedding. The pigs are gonna absolutely love just burying themselves up in this stuff. I'm freezing, dude. I need a hoodie. Here he goes. Oh! The hog has this thick coat of hair now. What the pigs will do is actually start shedding before this time of year and grow a fresh coat of long, look at that hair, look at that hair. Long hair to stay warm this time of year. And let me tell you, just holding him like this, his body heat is hot. Like, he's hot. That is literally a wild boar hog that was raised from a little piglet, and he's completely friendly. What is he doing? Dude, what are you doing, dude? So now the inside of the pig house looks like that, and they can bury themselves all up in it. Right, Coon Coon?
Hi. Look at the Coon Coon. Look how happy you are. Mango.
You awake, dude? I got you guys a fresh bale. Fresh bale hay for everyone. You guys too, all you. There we are. Whoa, Mango, give me a second. They've got all their hay inside there. The goats are in the barn. I got some TNA for them. The goats have a little thing of TNA right now. Whew. And I'll tell you what, we're ready for the cold, Cuffaros. It's gonna be a cold night tonight. The animals will be good though. They have everything they need to tuck in and stay warm throughout the coldest night in over 30 years of Florida. And these chickens will they'll just kind of find somewhere to go. Better than being on the menu at Chick-fil-A. I'm inside the duck enclosure right now, and it's cold. And now when it gets cold, water temperatures get cold. A lot of fish survive, but some don't. And unfortunately, I do have this duck pond with all the ducks right here. This is a duck pond. We have a lot of tilapia inside this pond. 2 of them right here look like they didn't make it through the night. Last night was the same temperature as tonight's gonna be. As you can see right there. Looks like it's been dead for a little bit actually. But there's 2 tilapia. One right there and one right here inside the duck pond. Now there's hundreds in here. So as you can see, if 2 die, maybe they died for other reasons. I don't know. But you would think with how cold it has been,
We might lose some fish here and there.
Used to happen in the old farm as well. It happens. This is the bait pond. So the goal was to put a bunch of those big tilapia in here, which there's still a ton. They're gonna breed, and then eventually we can just cast it and feed our fish farm-raised tilapia. Fortunately, we lost 2 due to the weather last night. Fingers crossed that we don't lose any more of those big breeders tonight. This is very unlikely weather for Florida. It typically does not get this cold. So this is just something we have to worry about this one time and hopefully not again until maybe years from now.
This deck looks absolutely insane. Could not be happy with the way that came out. Big shout out to Hector and the boys again. It's getting foggy because it's so much warmer in the building compared to outside. Make sure if you haven't yet already, hit the subscribe button down below. Smash that like button. And I think tomorrow I'm gonna take a day off. Typically Vlogmas is all the way up until Christmas. I'm still gonna go and post as much as I possibly can this week. But tomorrow I am gonna take a nice day off. Thank you so much for all the support lately. I appreciate you. And I'll see you right back here in the very next video. Peace.